If your foundation never looks quite right, you're probably making one of these three mistakes. And these are mistakes that you really might not know, but number three is a biggie. And I see ladies everywhere making this mistake. So you've got to stay to the end. Mistake number one is matching our skin tone instead of our undertone. And what this means is a lot of ladies are taught to do fair, medium, deep, when actually it depends more on our skin's undertones than it does the color of our skin. Let me explain. Most of us have always been taught that skin comes in four tones: fair, light, medium, and dark. But actually, a better way to match your foundation is undertones, and those are warm, neutral, and cool. If you have a warm undertone, your skin will look golden or yellow, and your veins will appear green. If you have a neutral undertone, your skin will look balanced beige, and your veins will look blue, green, or teal. If you have a cool undertone, your skin will appear pink or rosy, and your veins will look blue or purple. And as you can see in this graphic, between the cool, warm, and neutral undertones, we have a variety of shade ranges that we can work within to find our absolute perfect foundation shade. And the quick, simple fix for that is to find your skin's undertone, and everything else comes second. After all, foundation isn't so much whether we're light or dark, but it's a color that complements our undertone. And our skin color may change depending on getting a tan in the summer and things like that, but our undertone never changes. That is the quick fix for mistake number one. Mistake number two is thinking that we only need one color of foundation. Our skin depth changes seasonally, even though our undertones do not change. And ladies, simply what this means is in the summer, most of us are going to get tan. Some of us a lot more tan, some of us a little, some of us choose not to. But nonetheless, we need a shade for the summer and for the winter. And in the summer, logic tells us that our skin will change up to 1 to 2 shades darker in the summer than in the winter. Let me explain. This graphic demonstrates the natural progression of getting a tan for most of us in the summer, and that is our basic skin will deepen by 1 to 2 shades in the summer. And this graphic demonstrates how in the summer we can stay within our cool, neutral, or warm undertones by going 1 to 2 shades darker in the foundation that you choose. Same undertone, different depth of shade. It's that simple. In the summer, you will have to color match again and pick your summer shade versus your winter shade. And mistake number three is the biggest mistake that I see and hear women make all the time. It's what we've been taught. It's not our fault. Even before I was a Lancome beauty advisor, I did not have this information. But when you think about it, it is absolutely true. And that is matching the shade on your hand and not your neck. The skin on the back of our hands is not the skin on our face. They are different depths of shade, even though the undertone is the same. The depths are different. And so when you're trying to match in the store or you're getting color matched at the department store, hold whatever bottle up to your neck if you're foundation matching without help. Or when you're at the cosmetics counter getting foundation matched, make sure they swipe your neck and not your face. Let me explain. This is what we could look like if we're not foundation matched correctly. And when you go to the department store or you are swatching yourself at home, you need to swipe 3 or 4 shades between your face and your neck. And you can see in this graphic, whichever shade disappears, that is your foundation. And so many of the brands have foundation matching tools now. The first one was Mary Kay. This one is from Estee Lauder. This one is from MAC Cosmetics, but Lancome even has on their website an e-shade finder. And in the video here, you can see you just tap match my shade and it takes you through. You have to click and it's going to take a selfie. We have to consent for them to do it first, of course, but they're going to ask you a few questions. You're going to take a selfie and it is going to analyze your perfect foundation shade for the Lancome brands. This was a really neat process and I loved it the first time I tried. So it is going to tell you, do you like light, medium, or dark coverage? And do you like a natural or matte finish? We're finished analyzing my shade now. And it has given me 2 different shades of the Lancome Tawny Doll foundation. And actually, it is so cool because one of these I wear. See what I mean? The skin on our hand is not the same as the skin on our face, so it doesn't look natural. If you swipe across your neck and your cheek, the color that disappears is your true foundation shade. And once you stop making these 3 foundation mistakes, your foundation and your makeup will appear a lot more natural and a lot more flawless and look more like you. And I suggest saving this video and sharing it with a friend so the next time you go to the cosmetics counter, you will know exactly how to make sure you are matching your foundation correctly. And don't forget to check out kimsbeautybiz.com. It's full of free ebook downloads and resources on makeup, skincare, fashion, hair, relationships, and everything. And it's all free. And if you love this information, be sure to like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe below. I bring new videos out every week, and next week's video is another wonderful, amazing Lancome new product launch that I can't wait to share with you. I'll leave the link in the description below. Until next time, much love.